What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Mountain Creek Vlog 9. Up here with Dan. It's a beautiful day, wonderful weather. We got blue skies, French fries, and cute guys. We're the cute guys, obviously. They're blowing snow today, so you'll see a little bit more of that. Yeah, about 28, 30 degrees. It's gonna warm up throughout the day while we're here. We got the beautiful sunlight. Look at that. Ooh, and it's gonna be a good time. Let's get to shredded. All right, so as you can see, I just did a flip, literally did a tame dog without even trying. I was just hucking it at that mountain of snow because I just wanted to throw some snow in the air off it, and all of a sudden I just stopped. The snow was super sticky and I just got thrown into a tame dog. And I kind of landed on my butt and my board, so that literally just got rid of my fear of doing tame dogs. I think I'm gonna go for one this winter. If we get some snow and we got a little like mound or something, I'm gonna go for it. I would do it off that because it would be absolutely perfect, but it just stops your movement. So yeah, all right, let's get back to it. Thanks, boss. So we just got on the lift that connects south and Granite. So you know, half an hour later we'll be on Granite Peak, but whatever. All right, Dan, how have you been riding so far? How's it going for you?
Oh yeah, you know,
not that.
I was trying to huck a Larry, should have hucked a Rary. Probably went a little too hard, you know, at the gym.
So far it's been a pretty good day. The weather is perfect, it's ideal, but they're blowing snow and it's all sticky, and we got tired of south because there really aren't that many jumps or anything going on right now. So we're on the trek over onto Granite. Dan hasn't seen it yet.
I've never seen north.
And he hasn't seen north either. He's not really missing much, but you know, maybe he'll see all the Jerrys at north and realize why we only ride at south.
What are Jerrys?
This guy's a Jerry. All right, leave a comment below of what you think Jerrys are, but this is my interpretation of a Jerry. A Jerry is someone who's just like, they just don't know what's going on. You know, they're pretty new to snowboarding or skiing, and they're just,
sums me up pretty well.
Their fit's just wrong, like
pretty much.
Their riding style just doesn't exist.
Yeah.
Their helmet's on backwards, goggles upside down, gloves on the wrong hand, boots on their forehead.
I didn't even realize.
But yeah, that's a Jerry to me. Jerrys can become good riders, but they remain Jerrys until until they graduate. There's been a lot of talking. I think that's a little too much talking.
I'd rather just sit here in silence.
Yeah, so Dan, how you... Hey, oh! Gonna get you. Gonna get you. What's happening right now?
We're going back to south.
Why?
Jerry's, dude. I thought I was bad at snowboarding.
Here we are on north side, going directly back to south, right, Dan?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. If you ever want to catch sunset, here's the spot. All right, guys, I think we're gonna eat some trail chips. Yeah, so we found these chips. You saw the clip. Pick these chips off the ground. Let's check the expiration date first. Best by April 2020. We're good. Proper hand-cooked sweet smoked paprika. Sounds tight. Can you see that, boys? Can you see that? I think you can. I don't know. Literally 5 chips in here, max. Yeah, these aren't bad. Oh, trail chips, you know, like 4 out of 10. They're not good, but they're not bad. Are you okay, bro? Yeah, it's like after 3. Yeah, there we go. It's off. Smash subscribe. Smash subscribe. We are back in the car. We just got off the mountain. It was a super fun time. And Dan's getting better, as you saw in that last clip. He is cruising now. So we'll
out a little rough.
Yeah, but he's kicking in high gear, cruising down the mountain. And now we're gonna jump into the interesting comment by A. Lecky. He says, did you know that Japan has chosen Dragon Ball Z's Goku as an ambassador to the 2020 Tokyo Olympics?
Wow, what a dumb guy.
Dude, that guy, he seems like the type of dude to be from Russia or something. Probably. Goku, I don't know what to say to that.
Hey, Lecky's a weeb, confirmed? I don't know, man.
Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new here. And make sure that comment is interesting so I have it to say in the next video. Come on, give me something. Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace.